Hey, hi, hello. Ground Zero Series, Chapter 12. Greetings and Possessive Pronouns. This is a greeting. This is a greeting. This is a greeting. Greetings. Greetings. This is a man. This man is Barack Obama. He is Barack Obama. He is. He is. I am. You are. He is. This is Lionel Messi. And I am, well, Mefisto. He is Messi. I am Mefisto. This is a name. This is a name. And this is a name. 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 This is a hand. And this is my hand. My hand. This is a name. And this is my name. My name. My name. Hi, I am, well, Mefisto. My name is, well, Mefisto. My. This is Neymar. He is Neymar. His name is Neymar. His. This is Madonna. She is Madonna. Her name is Madonna. Her. He is a man. She is a woman. He is Barack. His name is Barack. She is Madonna. Her name is Madonna. They are Barack and Madonna. Their names are Barack and Madonna. Their names. Okay? This is a dog. This is a dog. Man, he. Woman, she. Dog, it. This is a dog. Its name is Megan. Its name is Megan. You are Mefisto. Your name is Mefisto. Your name. I am Mefisto. My name is Mefisto. I, my. You are Michael. Your name is Michael. You, your. You, your. He is Steve. His name is Steve. He, his. He, his. She is Stella. Her name is Stella. She, her. She, her. This dog is Thor. It is Thor. Its name is Thor. It's, it's. We are John, Paul, and George. Our names are John, Paul, and George. We, our, we, our names, our names. You are John, Paul, and George. Your names are John, Paul, and George. You, your, you, your. They are John, Paul, and George. Their names are John, Paul, and George. They, their, they, their. Thanks for watching and practice.